All right, so welcome to the stage. What's your name?
I'm Bright Fulton, and I work at Swipely.
Okay, so let's talk about what Swipely does.
So Swipely is a payment processor and payment marketing solution for local businesses. Helps them accept payments, accept credit card payments, and understand their customers and grow their revenue over time.
So what issues or problems do you solve for them?
So accepting payments is huge.
So this is an alternative to getting my own merchant account and going through that whole
you need
complex process?
Right, you need a payment processor to connect your point of sale retail equipment to the payment network, and we facilitate that like many other companies do. But we provide a lot of value that the traditional payment processors don't, mostly around marketing and loyalty.
Okay, now how does this involve AWS?
Well, we're a startup, and we're running all of our infrastructure, both production and corporate infrastructure, in the cloud. And we're a big data company, and we're very excited to be using the latest technologies.
Okay, now when your customers hear that you're running in the cloud, is that positive, negative, neutral for them?
I think it's becoming more positive over time. I think the security apprehension that we may have once felt about the cloud is turning into a big win. PCI compliance is a big issue, and when we became level 1 PCI compliant earlier this year, it was definitely only possible with the new services you guys were rolling out.
Now, were you able to achieve that compliance more efficiently because of the work that we'd already done?
Yes, very, very timely. So like earlier this year, you guys made a bunch of changes which made that a very much simpler process. So.
Okay. Now, is this a set of developer APIs or a SaaS application, or how? If I'm the customer, what do I actually see?
So our customers are merchants, and they don't really experience any change from their normal behavior. So we take over their retail payment systems, the ones that they're using today, and they don't have to retrain their the people at the register, the people swiping the cards. The consumers don't use different behavior. They don't use a different device from normal. It just all happens on the back end, on the data side.
Okay. Now, you said you were a big data application. What does that entail?
So looking at transactions for our merchants. Our merchants are small, but we have many of them. And so in total, we see a lot of transactions per day.
Is this then take the form of analytics you deliver back to your customers?
That's exactly right. So while accepting payments is important, ultimately the analytics, which in turn turn into marketing and loyalty, for our users, which are the merchants, that's really driving our use. So.
Okay. So what did you come here to reInvent for? What was your goal?
Well, I really liked the technical boot camp yesterday. I went to the ops one. It was great. And meeting people is great. The booths are great. It's been a great show so far.
Great to hear. All right. Well, thanks for coming up. Enjoyed speaking with you.
Thanks a lot, Jeff.